Gbegiri soup is a Yoruba soup. When combined with ewedu soup, it is the perfect match for amala. Before you prepare this soup, you should ensure that you have some beef or chicken stew at home because that's where you get the meat from. These are the ingredients for Gbegiri soup. Click show more under the video for the full list. First, remove the beans coat using the steps in my how to remove beans coat video. Then soak the peeled beans for about 3 hours. Put the beans in a sizable pot and add just enough water to cover the beans and start cooking at medium heat. Top up the water in small quantities when necessary. While the beans is cooking, prepare the ewedu soup, which is the perfect partner to Gbegiri soup. When the beans become very soft, mash them up with a potato masher till smooth. You can also blend it to make it smoother. I don't fancy putting this hot magma in my blender at all. When it's smooth to your liking, add the rest of the ingredients. Add more water if necessary. Cover and cook on medium heat for about 5 minutes or till the palm oil blends very well with the soup. Stir from time to time, else it burns. It's ready! Dish the Gbegiri soup with the ewedu soup. Get the meat from the beef or chicken stew and serve with amala. Yum yum yum! Remember to click show more under the video for more details. See you soon!